Welcome to Zabuino Hosting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. First, log into your account cPanel. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the software section where you see the Softaculous app installer. You can use the Softaculous app shortcuts here, but for this example, I'm going to use the Softaculous app installer link in software. Once you're in the Softaculous app installer link, you will hover over WordPress, click Install. On the WordPress install page, you will select either your primary domain or subdomain that you want to install WordPress on. Then you put your site name, your site description, create an admin username and password, admin email. Usually it defaults to your admin at email. Your admin at whatever your domain name is email. You can change the language if you want to. And here are other plugins that you can have installed with your WordPress installation. Then you click install and it'll install for you. Thank you for watching this Zabuino hosting video.